Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Y'all, a quick restock on some of my favorite skin products from Drmtlgy. I love this company, you guys. I have been preaching and singing the praises of this company for quite a while now. I had to restock on my favorite SPF moisturizer. So let's see what I got. I got a couple other items in here as well. This is what it looks like, nicely packaged. Drmtlgy, this is the brand. Very nice packing materials. Ooh, hit myself in the face with that. Okay, so I really have been very happy with their peptide night cream, you guys. This is such an important thing to put on your skin at night. Ugh, honestly, it's not cheap, but a little goes a long way. And I'm seeing improvements in my skin. So I had to reorder it. I had to reorder it. So got one of those. And then, of course, the main reason that I got, and here's a nice little booklet they sent. Main reason I got an order in was my moisturizer with SPF. I love this. Lately, I ran out and I have their physical moisturizer SPF, and that is what I've been using. But I do like this one in the wintertime. It's a little bit creamier. So let's get into this. This is how it comes. Very nicely bubble wrapped. Okay, this is what it looks like. Universal Tinted Moisturizer SPF 46. And you can see it's shrink sealed, okay? So it is wrapped up, safety sealed, all that good stuff. Okay, so they sell a couple different versions of this, and you kind of have to look at it on the website. They sell, there's an SPF of 44 they sell, an SPF of 45, and SPF 46. Okay, so this one has both physical and chemical sunscreens in it. Let me read to you. The physical sunscreen is a 12% zinc oxide, okay? The chemical sunscreen is going to be octinoxate at 7.5%. This one, very similar to the one that's physical only, and the physical only doesn't have the octinoxate in it, but this one just feels that little bit creamier to me, and I like that in the wintertime when my skin is drier. I'm not outside necessarily sweating because the chemical sunscreens can, if you're like sweating heavily or you're getting really wet, they can run in and make your eyes sting, like they run in the corners of your eyes. Maybe you've experienced that. You've got a sunscreen on, you're sweating, and suddenly your eyes are burning. That is from the chemical SPF that makes your eyes kind of sting and burn. So I had to reorder this because right now I've just been using, like I said, the one that's physical sunscreen only. And honestly, these moisturizers have been fantastic. So happy with this. You guys, I think I've been talking about this for at least 2 years. I love this product. And if you go back and you look in the playlist on Drmtlgy, you'll see me talk a lot about it. I have been really happy with this brand. Okay, so one other product I had to repurchase. This is such an important thing to use on your skin. Vitamin C. This is their vitamin C5 Renew, Soften, and Brighten. And I used up, it's been a little while ago that I used this up, and I have been using up some other vitamin C products, but because I was doing an order, I wanted to reorder this. I do have another vitamin C, 1 or 2 vitamin C's I'll probably try to use up, some products that I'm going to probably use up, but again, so happy with this brand. So happy with this brand. So I had to order that. And you guys, what I ended up doing was put a couple of these products on their subscribe and save. And I set my time duration when I want them to reorder and reship them to me. You do get a discount when you do that. But I will tell you that if you sign up on these guys' website with your email address, they will be emailing you, letting you know when they have sales. And it is super easy to go in. They have enough sales that if you're looking to buy this, just make sure you get it on sale or do the subscribe and save. Honestly, the subscribe and save is oftentimes cheaper than even one of their sales. So do the math, figure out how you want to do it. All right, so that's what I got, guys. Like I said, so it's the peptide night cream. Wonderful product. And it looks small because this is only 2.1 ounces, but honestly, I'm not quite done using my current tin. I think I've been using it for several months. So a little bit goes a very long way. This is wonderful, you guys. I'm so happy with how my skin feels in the wintertime. And again, these two look identical, but they are both 1.7. Let's see, this one's 1.7 ounces. This is 1.75. So pretty identical. But we've got the vitamin C and the universal tinted SPF. So that was my repurchase, restock from Drmtlgy. I do have a link down below. I would love it if you'd use it. I think it just gives me some points to use. I can use towards getting like discounts on products and things. So would love it if you would do that. Support my channel. If you're going to try them out. I also will let you know, I have these products linked, or at least what is available in my Amazon store. Okay. Drmtlgy does sell and ship through the Amazon store. Honestly, either way you do it, sometimes you can get a better deal on their website. Sometimes you get a better deal on Amazon. And Amazon, of course, it does the same thing as far as the subscribe and save. Just check it out however you want to do it. It's great. You can either way. So, all right, guys, this was a quick one. Let me know if you've got any questions. Let me know if you're using any of this. I know a number of people are using their moisturizing SPFs. I am so happy with these products. I can't even explain to you guys. I'm just thrilled with them. So let me know, like I said, if you got questions. I've definitely used other products. I use their under eye masks, those cute little under eye masks. I use those. They do have a really nice pumpkin enzyme face mask that's like, you know, it warms, it tingles, it smells like pumpkin. I realize some of you are allergic to it, but it's something I really do enjoy. Absolutely, it is a really nice face mask to do every now and then. And got a ton of products. They're always adding more, which I think is great. So, all right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. I will see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.